All right, so look at this bait, right? Let the bait go. Look at the bait, all right? So once the bait goes in here, you put it in a little bag in here, and that tangles right in the center of it. So any fish or anything attracts it, then you pull everything up. And that's how you grab a bunch of sardines. So we're gonna try to get some more sardines here. Some bait, some more bait, live bait. I'm gonna show you guys how to do this, all right? Oh, that's a good one. Let it fall. Let it go down.
These people are about to get hooked.
You should drop more rope down.
Just take it out.
You think about better luck over there on the rock?
Yeah, we're just gonna do it. Take it out. Nothing. All right, that's good. That's it.